Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun and exciting video for y'all. Today, Honey is going to pick out my makeup. What do you think about that, Honey? She's thrilled, can't y'all tell? But anyway, I will keep this introduction very short so we can go ahead and jump into the scenes of Honey picking out what I'm going to be wearing all day today inside. It is probably a good thing that I will not be going outside. Let's just say I have actually already filmed this footage. We're gonna be doing a very interesting look. Thanks, Honey. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and jump into it. Here is the footage of Honey picking out my makeup. All right, Honey is very focused on these treats right now. Look at her. I'm gonna go ahead. You can't choose yet, Honey, you have to wait. All right, Honey, which one looks good for you? Go for it. Oh, she picked the L'Oreal Infallible Lockdown. So this is just a little sample size that I have, so we'll be using the sample. Actually, I haven't used this yet. All right, Honey, no, you can't get all in there. All right there. Okay, which one do you want? I feel like she's going like towards the far right every single time.
It's like I know this game.
The Smashbox Studio Skin. Maybe I'll start like over here and see where she goes. Alright, ready, set, go! Oh, we're going for the It Bye Bye Pores. So this one's an okay powder.
Honey.
Okay. Start way back here. All right,
Running.
Honey is going to be running. Go. All right, we're using the hard candy. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh crap.
All right, Honey, ready, set, go. Go, go, go. All right, we're going for the NARS Orgasm Blush. All right, Honey. Go, go, go. We are going for the LA Colors highlighter. She's like, where did the other one go? Okay, hang on, Honey, hang on. Come here, come here. Aww. Okay, come here. It's time for you to pick out some more makeup. It's time to pick out some more makeup. Which one is she gonna go for? All right, ready, set, go. She went for the pomade, which is what I prefer. Good choice, Honey. Good choice. Hey you guys, so I have my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to let her pick out, let's see, how many colors should I let her pick out? Let's do 5. I'm gonna let her pick out 5 colors. And there is definitely a wide-ish range of colors in here. So hopefully she'll pick some crazy ones because it'd be interesting to work with those blues and purples and stuff. I am going to put treats on the back little pictures, and then the first 5 that she eats are the colors that I will be using.
That sounds dangerous.
Very dangerous.
It's a lot of treats.
She can only have 5, so I'm gonna have to stop her really quick. Dang, like she looks so excited right now. All right, Honey, which colors do you want me to use? Ready, set, go. Go. Honey, right there. Right here. Oh, okay, so Hilster, we have that one. Creamsicle. Okay, so far a couple neutrals. Oh, we got Royalty, so now we're doing a purple in there. And now Obsessed, I'm gonna kind of switch it this way so she'll, okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we got Chip. I'll let her do one more. Oh, so we are doing a purple and a blue together. This should be interesting. It looks like we're using this creamsicle color more of a yellow. We're going to use Obsessed, which obviously I am obsessed with that shade. There's not much left. We are going to use Royalty, so we're using this purple color right here. And we're using Pool Party. Matthew, what do you think of all these colors?
So fun, so fun.
A little crazy. And we're also going to be using this really dark color right here called Soda Pop.
What do you think, honey? Do you like those colors?
And last but not least, we'll be using this color, Pilster. This is going to be really interesting. I'm kind of excited to try and make all of these colors work together. Go! Yay! She went for my favorite. I will take it, honey. Okay, right in the middle. Ready, set, go! Ooh. She's picking a nice dark red lipstick to go with this blue and purple eyeshadow look. I mean, look at this baby. It is dark red.
She's loving this game.
She is loving this. Go! All right. So we are going to be using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lip Gloss in more of a coral color. Ready, set, go! We're going with MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start out with the primer that Honey picked out for me, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock. So this is kind of fun because it is a drugstore primer. Mine is just a sample size. It came with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation that I got. So I'm interested to try this out. This does feel really nice to the skin. It's almost more of a lotion texture. So Honey did not pick out my concealer because I do only have one that I really use, which is the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. I really like it because it is drugstore, which is super nice because it does not have the hefty price tag, yet it works very well. Okay, so now I'm going to take the foundation that she picked out for me, which is the Smashbox Studio Skin. It is a full coverage look, you guys. So if y'all are about to go to the prom or maybe it's your wedding day, honestly, this would be a great one to use because it covers up everything. So I guess Honey thought I needed a little extra coverage because she definitely went that route. Okay, you guys, so the next thing that Honey picked out for me is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over the face. This powder is okay. It's not my favorite as far as saying bye-bye to the pores. I think that there are other powders out there that are more affordable, like the Wet n Wild Setting Powder, that are just as good, if not better. Okay, you guys, as far as bronzer goes, Honey picked out the Hard Candy bronzer in this little duo. This is something that I tested out in my Dollar Tree makeup video, which if you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description. It is pretty fun, but this is one of the only products that I ended up keeping because the rest were kind of a fail. But I am going to go ahead and warm up the face just a little bit. So I am going to go ahead and contour. I do only have one contour kit that I've really been religiously using, so that is the one that I am going to use. Honey did not pick this out, but I think that's one of the last products that Honey did not actually pick out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and contour a little bit. I'm going to take my Sigma F35 and use that to take these lighter colors right here and just kind of add a little brightness underneath my eyes and on my forehead. I am now going to take my contour brush, and I love this middle shade right here. I feel like it's a little bit more natural looking, or at least it goes with my skin tone the best because I have a very light skin tone. Okay, you guys, to contour my nose, I'm going to use my Morphe E62 right here. And I'm also going to use that middle shade, and I'm just gonna go down the bridge of my nose. So Honey thankfully did pick out one of my favorite blushes. She picked out the NARS Orgasm blush. So I am going to go ahead and apply that to my cheeks. It was so funny. Whenever I was filming this, my boyfriend was the one who was actually filming, and whenever I said the name of the blush, he gave me the weirdest look. He was like, but like, yeah, that's what it's called. Oh, it's just so pretty. It just makes my cheeks look so nice and rosy. Good job, Honey. She's looking out the window right now. Okay, so the highlighter that Honey picked was actually also from my Dollar Tree video, and this was one of the products that I actually loved. It is the LA Colors Highlight, and she did a really good job picking this guy out because let me tell you, it shines bright. So I am just going to apply that with, again, my Sigma F35. Okay, you guys, for my brows, Honey picked out the Ulta Beauty Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Dark Brown. This is actually what I use on a daily basis, and I really like it because it looks natural and it does not look streaky, and it is easy to work with the brush that I bought along with it, which is just this Ulta Beauty angled brow brush. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I now have my eyebrows on. We're gonna go ahead and jump over to the eyeshadow, which honestly, I think is going to be one of the craziest parts of this look. And I am a little bit concerned on how I am going to make all of these colors work. What I think I'm going to do, and yes, I have put stickers by all of the colors that Honey picked out for me, but I'm going to go ahead and take this yellow color and use it kind of as a base. So I'm gonna go ahead and take, ooh, I have honestly never used this shade before in my Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's see how this looks. Very pigmented, just even on the brush. Let's see how this looks. Okay, I'm not gonna go too crazy with this color. The main idea is for it to kind of be a base for my main crazy colors. So there is the yellow, and again, that shade is called Creamsicle. I am now going to go into the shade Obsessed, and I'm actually going to apply that with my fingers. I'm just going to take it and apply it to the inner corner. I love this shade. Pretty so far. Let's see how this goes. I am now going to take the shade Hillster, which is what Honey also picked out for me, and I am going to also place that on my lid. However, I'm going to place it more on the outer corner of my lid. Yes, definitely more of a copper tone. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump into the really crazy colors. We have a purple and a blue that I now need to incorporate into this look. So let's see how I can make that work. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a big fluffy brush and take that blue. That blue, again, is called Pool Party. I am just going to work it into my crease. Yep, this is real interesting so far. I'm going to go ahead and try and warm this up a little bit. I'm going to take my purple, which is again called Royalty, and I'm going to take a smaller brush and work this into my crease. Yeah, this is just bad. I look like I have 2 black eyes, but that's okay. We'll see if some false lashes in a second help this look come a little bit more back to life. And then we are going to ruin it again with a red lip, so stay tuned for that. I am now going to take an eyeliner brush that looks like this, and I'm going to apply this darker purple on my lower lash line right here. Okay, so I do feel like the false lashes did help the look a little bit. This is still not something that I would wear out in public. I will probably be going on a walk in a little bit, and I will be washing my face before I do that. Let's go ahead and ruin it even more with some red lipstick. So for my lips, Honey has picked out the Wet n Wild lipstick in Dark Wine. So we have a dark wine lipstick to go with a blue and purple eyeshadow look. This is just gonna be beautiful, guys. Let's see how this goes. Am I pretty yet? So I look like a 5-year-old who just broke into her mother's makeup bag. So gorgeous. Last but not least, Honey chose some Wet n Wild lip gloss that is more of a peach look. It says peach stole my look, to go over this red lipstick, which maybe it'll actually tone it down a little bit, which I would not mind. No, didn't do much. The wine color is way too intense. So this is the final look, you guys. Oh man, at least my teeth look white. Let's see what Honey thinks of this. Okay, Honey, what do you think of my makeup? You think it looks pretty? Oh my god, so I got a little red lipstick on Honey. You look so pretty, Honey. We're twinning right now. Seems like Honey is not a big fan of her choices. It's okay, we're learning. Oh man, Honey, I'm sorry I got makeup all over you. I shouldn't have kissed you. You're just so cute. This has been a really fun video for me, a very challenging video for me. Don't think that this is a look I will ever be recreating again. But thank you, Honey, for participating in my video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will have another video posted for you guys on Friday. It's a good one, so get excited. Bye.